what you want to become, what you want to achieve in your life. Now we can connect with this question. So when we were small or now today also, this is the question people ask. What you want to achieve in your life. So when I was small, then I used to think what I want to achieve in my life, success, money, fame. Now today if you ask me what I want to achieve in my life, I will say peace, happiness. Same question if I ask you or we ask ourselves, then yes, most of us we understand the most important thing in our life is that is happiness and peace of mind. And at the end of the day, we are working for that only. It is directly connected to that. Yes, money is the most important thing we are working for because we think money can bring us happiness. Yes, I agree. Money can bring the resources which we feel that will bring happiness to us and our families. But is that true? So happiness and peace of mind, from where we can get this? From my life, from my experience, if I share my nazariya, yes, it comes from within. Now when I say within, it is directly related to our karmas. What we do with others, what we think and how we do. So when I am talking about how we are thinking about others and doing and what is karma, now when we are talking about karma, we say good karma and bad karma. Now who is going to decide which is good and which is bad? So from my point of view, if the other person is doing bad, maybe he is correct, he or she is correct at his or her place and they are doing right karmas, good karmas from their point of view. Now here I will take example of Mahabharata. If anyone asks in Mahabharata whose karma was good, Kaurav or Pandavas, immediately from inside the answer comes Pandavas. But is that true? So if we go in search, then we come to know Kauravas were they directly reached to heaven. But in Pandavas, only Yudhishthira and other ones with Draupadi, they were headed to Narak. What we say Narak. So why? So when we are saying that Pandavas did all the good things and Kauravas were wrong. So now this is a very tricky thing. So if you want to know more about this, then please read about that, Yudhishthira and Pandavas. Then that gives a very good clarity to us. So it is very tricky thing when we say good karmas and bad karmas. But one thing is there. We should know, and you will agree with me, inside we are always aware whether we are doing good or bad. So we need to control our karmas. So always do good to others. Now as a human being, what happens? Yes, we do like somebody, we don't like somebody. But at the end of the day, the only thing I will share with you, if me, you, everyone, we want to be happy, we want happiness and attain peace of mind, then we should let go all hatred and negativeness towards others. Yes, it is difficult, but with practice, when we understand, the main thing is when we understand and accept the thing the way they are, it is easier. So yes, once again I will say, we need to let go all the hatred, all the negativeness towards others if we want to attain happiness and peace of mind for ourselves. It's not easy, but it is not impossible also. The only thing we need to understand, yes, it is, and then definitely we will be able to achieve that. So this was my nazariya on this. which over a period of time in my life I have understood this. It's not always what I think. The first thing, yes, please give away all hatred and negativeness towards others. And then the sense of joy, the happiness we will feel and we feel. So yes, that's my nazariya on this. And I will appreciate. Please share your nazariya on this as always you do. So thank you, me Seema Sharma. So again I will meet you with my nazariya on some other topic. Thank you so much.